What's up, guys? Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to Essie's kitchen, where cooking is love. And in this channel we prepare amazing and tasty meals. I just want to appreciate you guys for the love and for the support. Thank you for subscribing in this channel. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Subscribe, please like and hit that notification bell. Until next time when I put another video, you'll be among the first to be notified. And today I have something amazing. I want to rinda with you guys in my kitchen. I have something good for you guys. I'm going to prepare Scotch eggs. Kitu enye, at least when you prepare that for your family in the morning, I'm sure they will love it. Welcome. Let's get now in my kitchen. And here are my ingredients. I have homemade breadcrumbs, and I think in my next video I'm going to show you how to make homemade breadcrumbs. It's very easy. And then I have sausages, and then my boiled eggs, and then my flour in a depend mahali mtu amesomea, and then my cooking oil. And next process, we are going to remove the first layer of the sausages, and make sure your hands are very clean. Remove this one. Try water. And then after you remove, I'm going to mix and mash this one. You mix them together like this. You can use your spoon, your hands, and that's what I'm saying. Make sure your hands are very clean. And then after you remove and mix, after you mix your sausages, and then here, next I'm going to do like this. And then after there, check your egg like this, and then try now, like ni kama unafunika hiyo mayai like this, and then now remove your clean film. You can use your hands. It's not a must that you use, and sometimes unaweza pata inakushika mkono. You just apply mafuta kidogo kwa mkono like this, and then now try now to do like this. Make sure you seal your egg very well. Yeah, as you can see, my egg is ready. You just repeat the same process with the other eggs. And then next step, we have a raw egg here. Raw egg. This one, I'll show you what I will do with it. And then take your coated egg, and then dip it of this. Alafu to your egg like this, and then the breadcrumbs like this. You do the same with the other eggs. You do the same like this, and then you put it aside. And the next one, the same way. Just repeat. Then now it's time to deep fry Scotch eggs. Now you wait for your oil at least to be hot. There we go. And now our oil is ready. Make sure it's not hot. Dip them. As you can see, it is turning golden brown. Yes. Make sure zimeiva kabisa until zive ndani. As you can see, my Scotch egg is ready. It may turn golden brown. And then now try this one at home. Prepare this for your family, and I'm sure you will love it. It's amazing, especially for breakfast. Your family, I'm sure they will love it. And we are ready. Thank you so much. Our Scotch egg is ready. As you can see, it's just amazing. Please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, please. And thank you so much for your love. See you on our next video. Love you guys. Thank you so much.